Grand Canyon Railway provides guests a unique Western experience. It's a comfortable and entertaining train ride to the heart of Grand Canyon's historic South Rim Village. The day begins down in Williams, Arizona at the Grand Canyon Railway Hotel. Situated just moments from downtown Williams and historic Route 66, the hotel is the perfect base of operations for this trip.
The Grand Canyon Railway Hotel has a lot to offer. It's a full-service hotel. We have 2 restaurants, 2 gift shops on location. We have a pool, a spa, fitness center. It's close to the depot, close to downtown Williams. And Williams is a great place to go and explore while you're here.
The beautiful part about Williams, we have maintained it much as it used to be. Just the feel of Williams, Arizona takes you back to the 50s and 60s. Down here on Route 66, we got restaurants, we got music, we got live entertainment. And I like to call Williams a little town with a big heart.
Guests will board the train at our depot in Williams, and they can choose from many classes of train service.
We start out in the morning with a little conversation down at the depot between myself and the Cataract Creek gang, trying to keep them from robbing the train. Then I ride the train to make sure that they haven't snuck on during the day while my back is turned.
Here at the mechanical shop, we take care of all of the trains and locomotives that go up to the canyon every day. So 5 F40 diesel electric locomotives, the 2 steam locomotives, the 29, which was built in 1906, and the 4960, which was built in 1923 by the Baldwin Locomotive Works, and our fleet of over 43 passenger cars.
So our guests are often surprised at the vast variety of cars that we have available on Grand Canyon Railway, ranging from beautiful 1920s era open-air Pullman cars to classic luxury dome and parlor cars that even include a champagne toast. No matter what class of service you're in, you have a wonderful passenger service attendant on board. These are folks that can share information about both ends of the line and just make you comfortable and feel at home on board our cars.
Well, the passenger service attendant has a wonderful opportunity to interact with our guests. We share stories, we entertain them, and we also help them arrange the most perfect day up at the Grand Canyon.
My name is Jess Ledbetter. We are somewhere between Williams, Arizona and the south rim of the Grand Canyon. I started working on the train 2 years ago as a musician. Usually there's 3 or 4 of us on board at any time. So I come into the train cars and I'll do about a 15-minute show for people, just kind of bring the car together and get people excited for their trip, to kind of get people in the spirit of Arizona, you know.
The ride from Williams to Grand Canyon Village is 2 hours, 15 minutes one way, and visitors have over 3 hours at Grand Canyon to explore this majestic natural wonder of the world.
The Grand Canyon is absolutely gorgeous, and we take you right to the rim. So as they get off, they have no idea what they're expecting, and we help them enjoy their journey by giving them information on where to go and what to do.
A visit can include interpretive bus tours, hiking, fine dining and shopping, or even an overnight stay in one of Xanterra's iconic South Rim lodges.
Well, up there on the Grand Canyon South Rim, you're going to find paved walking trails. You do have the Bright Angel Trailhead that does reach down to the Colorado River. Probably not a day trip, but definitely one that people love to hike.
Great places to eat, like El Tovar, the Arizona Room Steakhouse at the Bright Angel, and other choices. But I love the Hopi House. I gotta say, between the Hopi House and the Cope Studio, those are probably my 2 amazing favorite places to go into, because you're always finding something new in there.
On the train ride back to Williams, be ready to experience some wonderful musicians on board, as well as a surprise visit from the notorious Cataract Creek gang. Remember to guard your wallets.
I have to share with you is that the dreaded Cataract Creek gang has once again escaped from the Williams jail, and they have been seen in this area. Keep your eyes peeled, folks.
Right now we're getting ready to get robbed. It looks like the cowboys rolled through here, and if we do get robbed, it'll be the first time ever. Today, I mean.
Well, occasionally the Cataract Creek Gang does get past me and get on the train. That's quite a surprise when they do.
Ah, this is a train robbery!
Well, as the train comes back from the Grand Canyon, full of fat tourists with lots of money. And yeah, we can get them about the same time every day. Oh, the marshal's always on our tail.
Who got robbed back here?
Then I have to find them and arrest them and take them to jail.
We actually got robbed like back in the day, you know, and we fight back with bananas, you know. It was amazing to see this beautiful canyon and this amazing town. It's the most amazing, magical, and beautiful experience.
It's been an enjoyable almost 20 years riding this train, visiting with folks and chasing that Cataract Creek Gang.
A trip aboard Grand Canyon Railway with beautiful lodges on both ends of the line is a sure way to make the most out of your Northern Arizona vacation. Not only do we keep over 60,000 cars out of the park per year, but it's just comfortable on board, it's a fun ride, and you're guaranteed to have a great time.